Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Maps tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a public list on Google Maps, and that'll allow you to create a list on Google Maps and then have it shared with everybody who uses Google Maps. It'll also come up on Google in search results. So it's a great way to share your Google Maps list with the world and also with your community if you have one, such as a blog, YouTube, something like that. And check the description if you get lost. I'll have a detailed list as well as all the links that I discussed. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to maps.google.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, we need to go to our first location that we want to add to the list. I'll be doing best places to hike in North Georgia. So I'm going to be looking up a mountain, one of my favorite hiking spots in North Georgia, which is Mount Yonah. So now we have our location open in Google Maps. What we want to do is go down next to directions right here and select save. We're going to be creating a new list so that we can make it public. So we're going to select new list at the bottom. Now all we need to do is come up with a name for our list. To allow more people to find it, you want to make sure that it has good keywords so that it's friendly for search engines. So I'll be naming it Best Places to Hike in North Georgia. Once you've entered your name, go ahead down and select Create. As you can see on the bottom right here, it says that it's saved it to that list, and we can even view the list. So click View List. Another way you can find and open your list in Google Maps is to simply open the menu in the top left by clicking the three lines. Then in the new menu, select your places, and then go over to Saved. So as you can see, I can see my list, Best Places to Hike in North Georgia. Go ahead and open that. So once we're in our list, what we want to do is select the three dots in the top right, and then go to Sharing Options. This is going to allow us to make it public. So in the three options here, we'll select Public. Then it's going to give us a link. The list is now public. It might take a couple days, but it'll start showing up in Google Maps searches and then on Google in their search results. But another option we have is sharing the link here. So we can copy this link and then we can share it on social media such as Facebook or our blog or something like that. And this is what it will look like if anybody actually clicks on your list. They can see the items right here. They can't change anything, and then they can choose to follow the list and get updates if anything is added. So now that we've created a list and it's shared publicly, the last item I want to go over is just to reiterate how to add different locations to that list. So I have a new trail in North Georgia pulled up on Google Maps, and all I'm going to do to add it to my list is go over to Save, which is next to Directions, select Save, and I'll see my list right here and just select it. So now it's been added to that list. And when I go to my list, I can see both locations are now on the list. So that's how you create a public list on Google Maps. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google or Google Maps tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.